Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's GNS Designs. This is Aaron too. What we're doing today is we're going to be working on this Ford Transit van. We're going to be doing some stuff for Style That Beauty here locally in Dekalb, Illinois. And we're going to put some logos on the back of the door here, do some stuff on the side over here. Gotta love my hair, it looks like it's sticking up a little bit. But anyways, here we go, we're about to do this. So like, subscribe, hit that notification button for us, and catch you guys a little bit later at the end of the video. Alright guys, we finished this van. It's all wrapped up. It's got stumped on for Style That Beauty. What it says in their slogan is, we have the good stuff, they don't. Check it out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that notification button. See you guys in the next video. Until then, peace out.